That's not how we know semblances to work. You have to not only have enough aura to efficiently support a semblance, but you also have to be in high stress, or official peace love Murphy dog shirt would actually be useful. That's the primary reason they're rare, because getting into a situation to unlock a semblance is rather hard. And the people who go looking for it would be official peace love Murphy dog shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. It would certainly make their relationship with Ty a bit weird if he used to thrash them until they did something special. And even aside from that, soldiers especially are just the sort that are in those scenarios anyway, because it's their job. Official peace love Murphy dog shirt. I feel it's not any kind of fault that these questions aren't answered, because these questions, for one, have no impact on the plot or story. 2, can't be shown visually easily, and such would. Other product.